Trey, you're late. I thought something might have happened to you.
Ain't nothing gonna happen to me. Police always messing with me and my friends when we go out. Can't never have no fun. What's happening, huh? You want some too? Sick of y'all. Oh, I swear to God.
Hey, Petty Fam.
Hey, Petty Fam.
By request, we're doing J Cinco in Brooklyn. 100K special. Get us to 100K. Does she treat me bad? Let's get into it. Part 1.
What's good, YouTube? You know what it is.
Hey, Jay.
I'm back on another video. And today we got my girlfriend.
Look how she's smiling. She blushing.
She's so cute.
They are cute together.
Brooklyn, y'all.
Bro.
Making me nervous. I gotta get first beat.
Oh yeah, bro. My first video, I wouldn't even be able to talk. I wouldn't even be able to like speak. I'm not gonna count. Remember, babe, like
You got used to it though, huh?
Yeah,
now he be doing intros in front of me. What kind of?
Now he doing intros on his own. Cause he know we support them.
Yes.
Walking out. But yeah though. Make sure you like the video. I'm gonna slap you. You know what it is, man. What was I gonna say? But yeah, my first ever YouTube video, me and Brooklyn did a Q&A to start the channel. So we hit 100K.
Oh.
Darn.
Uh-oh. Whoa.
She is her sister.
She said, let me embarrass you right quick.
Right.
You need to wash your hair, son. Don't be keeping the braids too long.
I don't be waking up doing that stuff though. Like how you get up and do that, I don't be doing that. I just wake up and leave. But you know, our first video was a Q&A, and we hit 100K, my nigga. So everybody needs to like the video.
You know that little applause thing?
Yeah, that's so cute.
Oh, yeah, we gonna clap for y'all. Yay!
But yeah, that's what we doing. You feel me? So me and Brooklyn said we're gonna start uploading twice a day. So.
Woo, Lord, twice a day, y'all.
Pray for him.
Really? Sheesh.
He's been doing good at it. I've been uploading one.
But she tried to upload yesterday, but the thing wasn't like, it wasn't saving. It wasn't saving. I don't know why.
I'm uploading.
Y'all don't be knowing the technical difficulties we be having.
Struggle.
For real. Because,
yeah.
It looks sweet. But sometimes it's technical difficulties at the back end of it all. We be trying.
But we love y'all.
And we love y'all. And we want to give y'all what y'all want to watch. Hey, Naija.
Hey, girl.
But yeah, she hasn't been uploading. She hadn't uploaded yesterday twice because it was tripping. But we're finna start doing that shit.
I might have to start tomorrow because they should just now processing. I don't know another video.
2 days.
We could do it. But we finna drop 2 videos today though. Don't even trip. But yeah. Oh, security.
Wait, they're not probably not.
Grab your phone, baby. You gotta stop by the police, y'all. If you're not fucking with it.
I don't think it's gonna fall. Just be careful.
We still got lights.
Right here, yeah. Babe, I don't think they was coming after us.
I was blocking the driver because I was making a real spot.
Okay, just park right there in the parking spot. Space. Because it's still light.
Okay, see y'all.
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah. I gotta be more energetic though. But
That's why I got you.
We feel you, girl. Sometimes it be like that.
Feel better, sis.
Feel better. Yeah, really.
Sorry.
But yeah, though,
I can't tell you breaking out.
This girls be watching. They understand. Let it go, babe. Let it go. Sorry.
Yeah,
You
girl.
understand.
what I say.
This is so
But yeah, so we gonna start off
sweet.
by
Really? Aww.
Well,
gonna do a Q&A.
That's sweet, girl.
Let's
You
see,
got a winner.
All right, let's start with the first question. How do they said how do you keep a good relationship?
With us?
I don't know.
With the relationship or like
period.
us? Like how do we keep our good relationship or how do
How do you keep one probably? I mean, we can do it.
we can cause we I feel like to keep one, you know, you gotta be understanding, communication, be gentle.
What I need from you is under. Y'all sing along.
You know.
Low key, I'm not gonna cap like
Intimacy. You know, like not intimacy like that, just like you know. Because affection.
I was gonna say, what the hell?
Affection, like you know, like if you don't show your partner.
I need love and affection. Go in the right direction.
his facial expression is giving me
Yeah, nah, for sure. You gonna feel like what do you feel like? You feel like what's that? What do I be saying?
What?
Cause it's like you feel like unwanted type shit. But
I'm working on that though, cause I'm really like kind of nonchalant type. Like I don't really like that lovey-dovey stuff sometimes. But I'm working on that. Am I working on it?
you are.
But I would. I'm not nonchalant.
She got her days.
Yeah.
Nigga, she got her days. But it's good though. I mean, there's always a work in progress. There's a lot of shit I gotta work on too. But sometimes you gotta.
Oh, he see his faults too. That's good, y'all. That's a good relationship.
Just sometimes like both of y'all gonna have to just be the bigger person sometimes. Like if y'all get into it about something little, be like,
Put that pride aside.
just put it aside and chill out. That's what I be at work. I be ready to go back and forth all day.
Bro, what?
Nick can't do that.
Justin, like, oh my gosh. I'll tell Justin how I feel, and he'll argue with me because of how I feel. Like, how you gonna argue with me when I'm telling you how I feel? Like,
Cause I be like, I don't know. I be doing that shit with everybody. I do that shit with my mom.
yeah, he just, you know, he's a boy, so he just don't understand some girls.
I don't be understand. I be like, I don't know. It's good though. It's good. It's good though. For the most part, you know, at the end of the day, I still like apologize and I still make sure, you know, she feeling okay. Since I get mad when she don't feel okay. Cause I be wanting her to feel okay.
He be like, babe.
Oh, he looking out for Brooklyn. That's all we want.
Yep.
All we want is for somebody to look out for Brooklyn.
Yes.
Oh, I'm talking like that.
Bro, oh my God.
Yeah, cause he be mad and I be trying to make her smile. Cause I be like, I want when I be at Brooklyn House, if we get like if we would like get into it or like we'll disagree on something, I wouldn't leave her house until she's like until we good, like until she happy. I'd be.
No, that's important. Don't go to bed mad. For real.
Don't leave angry.
No, because you never know.
Yeah, you be holding on to stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
Babe, something. Well, she'll trick me and leave and come back.
Yeah, I'll leave and I'll come back. Or like I'll leave and she'll probably walk outside. Like I wouldn't feel right till she's okay. Type stuff. So.
Oh.
It's out of the mud.
But yeah. It's good.
You got something to say, baby?
No. But at the end of the day, relationships aren't perfect at all. At all. It's time me and Justin arguing. Don't talk. It's normal.
Nah, for sure. If it's not normal, you'll listen.
That is normal, y'all.
Yeah.
People think like relationship goals and
they
gonna be lovey-dovey and kissy all the time. Baby.
Right. Yeah.
Two humans trying to live together.
Yeah, and on social media.
And, you know, people who got kids, raise a family, all life's problems that you experience alone, you got to experience that other person's life problems with you.
It's a problem.
Yeah, it's fake. Yeah, it's fake.
I don't care. But next question is, was it hard to make it out the struggle? Nigga, I did not make it out the struggle. I don't know why I did.
For me, I've been in this industry longer than Justin, so I have more, experience. And for me, coming out of the struggle, it was hard, but my mom had a good way of hiding. Like, I didn't think we didn't have money. I didn't think, because at the end of the day, at Christmas, we would get what we asked for, but I didn't know that. People, I didn't know that, boosters were getting it and stuff like that. I didn't know none of that. Like, my mom had a really good way of hiding it from me. So
that's why,
Good mama Frost.
Yes, you don't want to bring your kids.
Right, they got a lot of growing up to worry about instead of grown people problems. Right. So that's good. Never let them know.
And she appreciates it too.
Yeah, absolutely.
I get on me that shit real though. That shit's hella real. I used to get like new clothes and shit. I didn't know it was used clothes. Like,
I swear.
That's
Goodwill. I used to be happy shopping at Goodwill because I thought Goodwill. You know what Goodwill is. You don't know what Goodwill is? Oh shoot. Goodwill's is like,
Right.
Yeah, it's like that. Like,
I used to go around and get like backpack.
Uniforms and stuff, like uniform pants.
You're the flawless. I don't know if y'all have flawless. I think flawless only.
Yeah. But Goodwill, I used to think Goodwill was new clothes and stuff. I didn't think it was like used clothes just washed.
I remember I had my worst Christmas ever. Bro, I had like the worst Christmas ever, bro. That was my birthday. Bro, what the hell? I just got a cake for my birthday. But it was like.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah.
But you know what? I always got a song.
Okay, go ahead.
Birthdays was the worst days. No chip champagne for the Thursday.
It be times like that though, it make you appreciate everything. Like, you feel me? Like, my mom may not be able to afford everything, my dad may not be. It just be like, at the end of the day, you got family. That's what really matters. So like, when I had that cake, and I didn't have no presents after that. It was just, it wasn't even a real cake. I swear to God, it was like I think they made my cake. It was a chocolate cake, fucked up cake. You can see. Like,
oh my gosh! Yes, my dad used to we used to do this tradition. Every time a kid's birthday, we'll go to my grandma's house and just sing happy birthday, and it'll be cake you could you could tell like they did it with a knife.
Oh. But sometimes those homemade cakes be hitting.
It really do.
It wasn't really smooth and stuff, and then it just had how many candles, what age was 10. But then again, I never really asked for nothing for my birthday. Like, I swear, like, right hand up to God, I never really asked for nothing for my birthday, so I wasn't the type to really expect anything for my birthday until now. Like. I didn't ask none of them for nothing for my birthday. I'm just gonna go get what I want for my birthday for myself.
Okay, treat yourself, Brooklyn.
That's nice, girl.
I might get that too. Go ahead. Next question.
I thought I was saying. But he's still
saying. Make it out. It's a work in progress.
I feel like he did.
You made it out there.
Yeah. You just, I feel like you have to have that mindset, though. You can't be.
It's just reality, though. I didn't make it out. I accept that.
I feel like.
Yeah, I see what Brooklyn's saying, though. Your mind has to make it out before you make it out with everybody. Because I think what he's thinking is like, he's, he has 100K followers, he's making some money, but he wants to be consistent and make enough money to get his whole family out the hood.
Yeah.
And then once he gets them out the hood, then he's gonna be totally out the hood,
Yeah.
Okay, once you move, you made it out?
Yeah, that's making it out.
Okay.
For sure.
But I feel like Justin still has that, you know, that mentality. Like, you know, I try to get it out. I try to get him away from me because it's just like negative.
What mentality?
You know mentality. Because we talked like yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna get away from him. I'm just.
You think I made it out though?
Yeah. Like at the end of the day, you can do a lot for yourself.
I think what you're thinking is making it out and being financially stable. I'm financially stable. Like I got money to where I'm not broke.
Oh, okay. So making out is like
you don't live in the hood no more.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah, no, for sure though. Mindset does have a lot to do with that shit though. Let me see. What did your girlfriend think? What did your girlfriend's mom think about you when she first met you? I don't know.
Ooh, who asked that question? That's a good question. Now they're gonna ask about the brother problem.
Yeah, that's what I want. Remember that? So the first time I met Justin, you know, at first mom, right now.
I could call her Frost. It's Carrillo.
But okay, so nobody really knew about Justin. Like they would just always hear his name. Like when we was in Cabo, you know, me and Justin was talking at that time. We was in Cabo. What's it called? I just kept mentioning his name, and Mike was like, who's this Justin? Like, who is this? Blah blah. And I would say Justin so much because he told me a real name, and he did not like me calling him Justin. He was like Cinco. He was like, who's Justin? And I was like, oh, this rapper, blah, blah. I thought he lived in Calabasas. Chuco told me he lived in Calabasas because, you know, Chuco fallen.
Calabasas, Compton.
And whatever. So he's telling me he lives in Calabasas. So I'm like, oh, it's this rapper, he lives in Calabasas, blah, blah. And he's like, oh, whatever. So, and then I remember, this had nothing to do with it, but I remember Cinco. Justin had called me, remember that one time? And then he was like, yeah, that's like some talking to your girl. And then I was like, what? I was like, so basically you consider me as your girl?
Yeah, it was a situation.
Oh, then they was just fish. I think he's nervous.
And he didn't even know me.
No, he's taking it down so he can wash it out.
He liked me, but I didn't like my time.
She lying though, yo.
Bro, he would tell me, like, bro, I saw the screenshot on his phone. He screenshot our messages because he sent me his picture, and I had said, yeah, they fired, and he was so happy, so he screenshot it because I didn't like him, so I never even complimented him. But when I started liking him, you know, I had complimented him. But yeah, so back to home though.
Look at his face over there.
So we had pranked Justin the first time we go. My mom
was horrible, bro.
My mom was looking crazy. She had all this makeup, eyebrows, everything.
Like smeared on her face. Like it was like she put makeup on and just like rubbed the pillow on her face. Like it was fucked up.
Yeah, the lipstick. And then Mike was going off on the phone.
He was going crazy.
Wow.
Speaking in his language. But it was all prank. Blah blah. But my mom, she's not just gonna fully on like.
Y'all, what language Mike speak?
Yeah.
Somebody
Comment below.
Tuesday meet them, but Justin grew my mom and my mom loves Justin.
Yeah, for sure.
She be calling him her son. Like she treats him like her.
Yeah, like her own, for sure. Yeah. You know, I feel like me and Mo got that connection because like I kind of, it's like I don't know. You know, you just meet somebody, you just click with them. So I think that's what it's like. Mo's like she meet like me and her got like the same personality. Like we laugh at the same shit. We talk about shit like and I fuck with Mo highly, and that's my girlfriend's mom. So that's that's off.
Oh, Mo is cool though.
Yeah.
That's like important to me. So I always, you know, always check. We always check each other TikTok. Like it just kind of like grew into like friendship.
Bro, I'm coming in the room. I'm on the phone.
And yeah, like, you know, he a fan of TikTok.
Yeah.
And they trade, like probably send each other the TikToks.
Yeah.
The trending TikToks or whatever. That's good.
It's very cute.
Doesn't. I'm like, what the heck? I'm what the heck? Who on the phone with?
No, for real, yeah. Mo's hella tight. She's hella tight, bro.
Yeah. And then the shade, even though I didn't ask him, the shade memo, bro. I would have never thought Mel.
Yeah, Mel fucks me. Like, bro, at first I thought Mel didn't fuck me when I was in Seattle because Mel never said words. But there was one time I think Brooklyn did something. He spoke up to Brooklyn. What did that? And I was like, oh shit, that's fly. But now though,
but Mel, like you in my last relationship, but Mel, like they didn't have that connection. Like they would hardly even talk. Mel would hardly be there, but when Mel wasn't telling, they would hardly talk. But Mel and Justin.
We play the game with each other every fucking day. We wake up.
They talk to each other like Memo and the Shay would talk to each other like. Memo would be like, "What?"
That's good.
Where he get along with the whole family.
The whole family. That's important.
Mm-hmm.
Especially the quiet one, because the quiet one, he be observing stuff.
Yeah.
Like he'd be like, "Shut up! What are you talking about?" Like they talk to each other like they've been knowing each other their whole life. And even like me and Emily, like me and Emily have a close. I mean, it's close.
It's closer than it was. Yeah. Because when Brooklyn first started coming to my house, she kind of like wanted that connection with Emily too because my little sister. And it was kind of like in the beginning, it was kind of like Emily. She's kind of like, I don't want to say antisocial, but she is low key when you get to know her, and she fucks with you because she be on the game a lot, so she don't really be talking to people like that.
But yeah, she even told me. Sorry, we was playing like she asked me, she said, "You want to play Connect 4?" And like we was just all we was laughing and just like making jokes and stuff. I was like, dang, I really cherish that moment. I swear to God, like I did.
Oh, how do you not like Brooklyn? Brooklyn is sweet.
She really
is. And
is.
she got that personality.
She really does.
Draw people to her.
Yes.
She's so funny.
She is.
Yeah, like just in my mind, I was like, dang, I always wanted this. Like,
and that was last night too.
Yeah, that was last night.
We went to the store, got food.
Bro, Emily, like we was all cooking together. Like it was.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It was
we all
so
making different shit. Everybody was making different shit. Nobody make the same shit. Then we made noodles and that shit was.
Emily made us breakfast this morning. It was so sweet. I made them noodles.
That's cute because now she got a sister. Mm-hmm. You know, she got all them brothers. Well, 2 brothers. Yeah. So now she got a sister.
Oh, man, it was just
Justin never did nothing.
I just made my burger and ate my shit. No, you're not lying though. I did make my burger.
But yeah. Emily be like, she be talking to me though about a lot of stuff. And then she just feels. She said she told me she feels really comfortable with my house. Like the fact that he can leave her at my house.
Yeah, like she's over there right now with Mike, Mo, and Nana.
My mom treats Emily like her own too. Like she's always making sure. Like when my mom cooked a burger and I asked her for it, and then she had told me and Justin to split, but then she was like, split it with Emily. Like she was like, and then even in the morning she was asking Emily like, I was half asleep, but I kind of heard like yogurt. If she wanted yogurt, and stuff like that.
You know, like even when I first brought Emily to the house though, I kind of like what made me fuck with Mike is because Mike is hella respectful. Like when I bring Emily to the house the first time, like even with mom, like anybody I bring over there, like Mike's always like, you need anything? Oh yeah, sit down. He's hella respectful. He made Emily feel home.
No, for real too. Like the Shay when we was at like when Emily and the Shay first met, the Shay was like, you want to sit in the front? She was like, oh no, I'm good. And it's blah blah. Like he took us to the house because we wanted to go home. So he was like, you need anything from the store, Emily? He wasn't even asking me this stuff. He was like, you need anything from the store, Emily?
That's sweet.
Yes.
That's so nice, though. Especially since they know, they noticed it.
Yeah, and then you care about his family, he care about yours.
Right. His hair pretty, by the way.
It is.
She was like, no, I'm good. And then just like a few days ago when we was over his house, he asked, he's like, you need anything, like water or anything? She's like, no. I was like, y'all, I promise you, it's like a whole different thing. Like, it's just a whole different thing. Like, with family, like, even our family is similar. Like, my mom and his mom are similar hearted. Like, they act the same. My dad.
Bro, that's so weird as fuck, bro.
My dad and his dad, I swear, are like the same person.
Like, nigga, they probably do the same exact shit every day. It don't make no sense. Talk the same way. They don't curse like that. Like my dad don't curse, bro. I laugh when he curse. Like he curse as a joke to me. Like he'd be like, "I'm gonna whoop your ass, nigga," like, cause he know I'ma laugh.
Nigga pause. That's funny.
Her dad be.
My dad don't. He be like skunk, or he be like, cause he feels like he believes that cursing is for stupid people, like cause they don't have, they don't have nothing else to like, they don't have no, they don't have, they don't know what to say. Yeah, cause you just say. Okay, next question. Damn, we was on that for a long time. It's your video. I'm just gonna help you out. Figure it out.
What am I doing here, baby? With this, I'm gonna take down. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, she taking down his hair, especially with her nails, child.
Yes.
Let me read another one. All right, this is already 20 minutes, so I'm gonna do 2 more questions. And I'll probably drop. I'll drop 2 steps for my 2 videos. So I do. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this in half, and I'm gonna up half.
Or just be like, fast like that, one part 2.
Should I just drop it? Should I just drop part 1 right now? And then like come out and then drop part 2?
And then to be continued.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do like we're gonna do part 2 in this video. I'm just cutting.
Child, they do part 2 today. We gonna do it later.
All right, y'all. So that's enough for part 1. This is part 1 right now. This is part 1 right now. I'm gonna drop part 2 in like
30 minutes.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop part 2 in a little bit. But y'all gotta tell me. I gotta know. Y'all gotta get this mug to like how many likes? I don't know how many likes I'll be getting.
50K.
God damn, 50K, man. Man, just like the video, my nigga. You gonna walk in your mama. She gonna be hurt, my nigga. You gonna slap her though.
I mean, what's it called? Say if y'all want part.
I know she used to doing that though.
I want part 2.
Yeah. So let me know if y'all want part 2. Everybody comment down below. Hey, I'm gonna put a Bible verse in this video, man. My fault, I've been slacking, bro. I've been really slacking with the Bible verses.
Good. Keep it, girl.
I'm gonna put a Bible verse in the beginning. You feel me? Make sure you like the video. I might put that thing right now. Make sure you like the video. On the things? On the end?
Yeah.
I'm a God. How you wipe your ass?
She starved in my eye with the nails.
Sorry.
But yeah, though, make sure you like the video. This is part 1. I'm gonna drop part 2 in a couple hours. Just turn the notifications on. I might drop them right now, my nigga.
Let us know if you want part 2 tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.